Judgment. The facts relevant for adjudication of issues involved according to petitioner are as under. Para. The petitioner is the Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company Limited. Stop. It is a government owned distribution license under the Electricity Act 2003. Stop. It carries the statutory duty to distribute electricity throughout the state of Maharashtra. Stop. It must regulate, monitor and enforce authorized use of electricity in its network. Stop. It must protect public revenue. Stop. It must ensure compliance with capital MERC regulations. Stop. It must act whenever it detects unauthorized use within the meaning of section 126 of and 135 of the Act. Para. Respondent number 1 in each petition is the registered consumer. Stop. Each connection bears a separate consumer number. Stop. The sanctioned supply stands in the name of respondent number 1 alone. Stop. The contractual relationship under the Act, the supply of Code of 2005 and the conditions of supply exist only with respondent number 1. Para. Respondent number 2 is a lessee. Stop. He has never applied for change of name. Stop. He has never entered into a supply agreement with the petitioner. Stop. He has never disclosed his occupation or activity as required by regulations 10 and 11 of the supply code. Stop. He is not a consumer within section 2(15) of the Act. Stop. In spite of this, he has assumed the role of respondent number 1 and contested the statutory assessment under section 126. Stop. The statute does not permit such participation. Para. Respondent number 3 is the appellate authority under section 127. Stop. It passed the impugned orders. Stop. It is therefore a formal and necessary party. Stop. The dispute arises from detection of commercial use in premises sanctioned only for industrial purpose. Stop. The flying squad of the petitioner inspected the premises and found commercial laboratory and testing activity. Stop. This use falls within unauthorized use under section 126(6)(b). Stop. The assessment was issued to respondent number 1. Stop. Respondent number 2 filed the appeal and secured the impugned order through he had no right to do so. Stop. The premises of respondent number 1 were used for commercial activity without disclosure and without permission. Stop. The petitioner challenges the order of respondent number 3, which is patently unsustainable. Stop. The order is without jurisdiction and contrary to law. Para. Respondent number 1 is the registered consumer for Gala number 31 situated in Raja Industrial Estate, Mulund West. Stop. The category of supply was strictly LTV industrial. Stop. At all times the records of MSEDCL showed respondent number 1 as the only consumer responsible for compliance with the Act and supply the code. Para. On 5th January 2010, the flying squad carried out inspection. Stop. It found that no industrial activity was carried out. Stop. Instead, respondent number 2 was operating a commercial laboratory and testing unit. Stop. This was admitted on site. Stop. The inspection report clearly established commercial use. Such use falls in a section 126 bracket 6 bracket small b bracket small I because electricity was used for a purpose other than that authorized.